What's going on, you guys? The first thing I really did on the the R33 was changing out the valve cover gaskets. The valve cover gaskets were pretty leaky in the corners, especially at the near to the firewall. They were definitely leaky, so I went to go ahead and replace that. So really, no, it's not going to be kind of how-to step. Really, all it is just removing the J pipe that's over the valve covers, removing all the lines that are connected to it, the throttle body in order to get to the intake manifold side of the screws, and then what else? And that the coil pack cover plate. That's all you guys really have to remove, and then all the screws are exposed. But yeah, so this video will be containing that. So yeah, just hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so afterwards, the valve cover gasket replacement. It didn't end up as well as I thought because of my mistake of what I did. Honestly, too embarrassed to say it, but basically, I lost one of the bolts, one of the screws. It just disappeared out of nowhere. I couldn't find it. But I had a good friend of mine come by, and he looked for a replacement. So that's all good. But because of a mistake that I did, ended up being more of of just a valve cover gasket replacement. But my good friends Jimmy and Carlos, they came by and they really helped me out with their knowledge of cars and also their tools. We were able to basically get the car up and running, which is a little mishap, but the car is all good now. It has new valve cover gaskets that are not leaking, as from what I've seen when I've driven it around a couple of times already. So it all seems to check out a-okay. So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Follow me on Instagram at battle_R33, and you'll see a lot more updates of the R33 on there, and of course a lot more pictures. Go ahead, if you guys have any questions at all or anything that you want to see of the car, just go ahead and comment or message me. I'll try to make a video up for you guys, okay? Alright, you guys have a wonderful day. Take it easy.